Hello everyone, my name is Naya and I'm going to be singing this song called Lost and Found by Leanne La Havas. She is from London. London? Oh, that is so cute. Come upstairs and I'll show you where where my dreams hide from you. Just look at who I have become. I'm so ashamed you are the one that made me feel the way I feel. You broke me and taught me to truly hate myself. Unfold me and teach me how to be like somebody else. When I felt strong enough, I was discovered by the love I had been waiting for so long. You told me none of that was real. I cannot hide how low I feel. I know that you were never wrong. You broke me and taught me to truly hate myself. Unfold me and teach me how to be like somebody else. You're lost and found. Worn out, my faith is broken down. Broken down. Broke me and taught me to truly hate myself. And from me and teach me how to be like somebody else. From me and from me. Truly hate myself. And from me and teach me to be like somebody else. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it.